Let's talk about squeezing. Squeezing is quite an important formation in the market that we can find, and it is in the shape of a flag, and you're familiar with the flag shape already. Now, this flag shape is going to be extremely important, and it will be a sign of a true break. When the price is coming in the shape of a flag, in the shape of squeezing to the level, that means that perhaps there is a lot of power accumulating for a true break. And this is very, very visible and very easily identifiable in the price. Now remember that if the price is coming to the level with large, strong, powerful looking candles, it's a sign that this level will probably stop the move. Because remember, stopping a powerful long candle is a lot easier than a slow, nice calculated move. Therefore, when we see a flag formation, so that when the price is squeezed to the level, that's when we can say that there is a lot of potential for a true break of that key level. It's coming slowly, steadily, with the preparation and power accumulation for the true break. Now let's move to the screen and I'll show you an example. And here, on the first glance, we don't really see that very much. However, let's mark a support level right here. Well, actually, it's slightly lower. This one here would make more sense. Remember, the more hits directly into the level, the more powerful the level is, and that's going to be the correct level. We have 1, 2, 3, false break, false break. This one's here 4, false break, 5, 6, false break, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we have quite a few CCLs, candles that confirm the level. Now this is going to be our resistance level. Now in this case there is no identifiable support level. However, if we mark the level that we can mark based on our visual abilities, we will get this level right here. And as you can see, it's a large flag in 1 hour chart, and it is squeezing the price to the level. And it's quite easy to see because we have a huge bottom wave here, a smaller bottom wave here, a relatively bigger bottom wave here, but then the most important squeezing happens beginning from here. And this one, this bottom wave even smaller, then this one even smaller. So we are coming closer and closer to the level and squeezing the price, right, smearing it right into this resistance level with the hopes of breaking it. And as we can see further on, the level is broken. And as you can see this as I've moved the chart ahead, you can now see the perfect pie shape, I guess the flag shape piece of the market here, which was our squeezing. And the price was squeezed until it was completely broken, and it was a true powerful break. And it's fascinating to watch how the price cannot pass the level, cannot break through, accumulating the power and finally breaking free. And this is the flag formation and the concept of squeezing. And that's why do you need this? If you're trading 90% of false breaks like me, then you'd perhaps maybe trade this one here or this one here and this one here and maybe a few bounces here with the vivid limit player. It's a really nice place to trade a bounce from one of these candles right here and making some short but still substantial and nice profit. So why would you need to even bother yourself with understanding what squeezing is? Now, this is important because when you see squeezing as nice as this one, then you would be very careful with trading false breaks. When you have powerful squeezing as this one, I'd still trade the false break, of course, but I would have my stop as short as possible. So I would not risk very much here, and I would try to use the smallest stop that I can to protect myself from losses, because I see that the price is being squeezed and there is a lot of power and potential for actually breaking the level and not false breaking it. Therefore, this is a very important piece of information that you understand and see what the price is doing and what the traders are doing, and maybe somebody is actually gathering a position for a powerful break in this consolidation slash squeezing formation. Therefore, it is extremely important to keep an eye out for such structures and shapes, so that you then don't make too many mistakes, and you must be able to identify who is playing and working and trading against you, and see that there is somebody or something that wants to really break the level and is doing everything at its power and at its disposal to accumulate as much fuel and power reserve as possible to break the level. And once again, a reminder, if we are coming to the level with huge long paranormal candles in the daily chart or even the hourly chart, then we can say that the likelihood of a turn and of the move stopping at that level is a lot greater, rather than if we see a nice small candle squeezing coming to the level. And these are two completely different structures. When I see a powerful move, I know that it's gonna stop at some point and perhaps reverse and go just as many points down or in the other direction as it went up. So it's quite easy to understand. I know that there are many things that you need to learn and to remember. That's why I wanted you to take detailed notes, so that when you'll be trading, you will see all of these things. These are real markets, real situations, and some of them happened not that long ago, so it is all still very, very relevant. And you will be experiencing and seeing these structures. And if you've been taking correct, precise notes, you'll have something to go back to and compare and see if this is what you think it is, and how to trade it, and how to behave, and what to expect from it, and how to use it. All right, that's it for this lesson. Now you know what squeezing is in the flag formation, and how to use it, and how to approach the market situation in which you see the price being squeezed into a level. Right, don't forget about the test, enjoy your homework, and I'll see you in the next lesson, where we'll talk about the thing called the flattening candle.